Hello there. This is Marcio, and this is another episode of Coding with Agents, our culture coding with agents. Um, reflections. These are reflections about what's going on these days as we builders and developers, as we code alongside with AI agents. And what you see are reflections from the routine of a developer, a builder. And today I want to show you there's usually also maybe interesting demonstrations in the background. But the point is always to be, to a certain extent, philosophical about what's going on as we code with agents. Okay, so what you see there today, I don't even know if this is going to work today. I don't have my headset, so I don't know about the quality of the audio right now because I want you to, if possible, if that works, to listen to the agent that's going to be talking with us here. Right? It's going to be slightly complicated because you see, I have this view with this camera here, right? And my desktop is there. So I'm going to put my camera on the left hand side, right? And what you see there in the other desktop is actually a meeting room. So I'm filming the meeting room inside this canvas frame. We're filming the meeting room right there. And I'm going to enter that meeting room right there. So you're going to see me twice. And then I'm going to invite an agent to join us as well. And then, well, I was going to say what this thing has to do with coding with agents anyway. I don't know. Right? It's well, the is going to enter the session that I know, but besides that, this code was also written with agents, and so there are many things there. So let's just start, right? Okay. So first, I'm gonna join the room, and I don't know if this is gonna cause like some. No, so far I don't see any problem in terms of like echo and that kind of thing. Now remember that in my screen there's no Marshall there. It's just that, right? Okay. So you see, right? That's the screen. Now I'm going to invite. Okay. Here by running this Python code, I'm going to invite a bot to join that meeting. Okay. Let's see if that works. Something is happening. Hello there. Oh, I see you there. Well, I see. So you joined this meeting, right? I don't know. So sorry, Bertie. I'm actually going to ask you. Well, I'm going to ask you to leave. Okay. You see, you see. So here, right? I'm give you the context of what's going on. Right? So this is using daily.co video conference SDK slash API slash cloud service infrastructure, right? And daily, also these folks are around and they have some reputation credibility there as far as I know. Then they created what's called PipeCat. It's like an infrastructure for you make your own voice agent. And this, by the way, in this case, is using OpenAI behind the scenes, right? That's basically the system and method for making the magic of the AI entering the natural, real meeting room. Okay, because daily they are like they have a reputation and a legacy there in terms of video meetings before these days. Okay, right. So I'm gonna end this video right now. It's a lot for me. Okay, I intentionally wanted to make that background, but I don't know. Like it kind of looks like a matrix, right? I have no like. Um, it wasn't intentional. Okay, but that's debugging lines there for what's happening in this meeting in terms of events and things happening. Somehow it's like beautiful, right? All right. For now, thank you very much. Eventually, I think we might join the meeting with these buddies there to help us out here. I don't know. I'm not saying anything. All right. Let's just go ahead and have a good coffee now and go home. Thank you very much.